But description is the key. Like if you know how to describe your work, if you know how to describe your thing, then AI will literally understand the word. I'm gonna give you an example. You want a shot behind or you shot above someone's head. You're not gonna tell the AI, I want a shot above its head. I mean, you can tell him that. You can tell him, I want a shot above your head, but it's called overhead shot. Like if you say like that, if you use the right shot, the white word, it just makes it easier, and the result is just 10 times better. Right? But to getting the right word is not for everyone. That's when Magnific comes in. I'm gonna tell you now about Magnific. We're gonna jump into Magnific, formerly known as Shripic. Now I died into Magnific. And when you jump into Magnific, you can just go into the image tab, and I'll ask you to click on either variation or change camera. Yeah, but I'm not taking variation. So if you click on variation, you can just upload your image right here. Like that. And then from this, I'll just click on add. Now you have a list of angles to choose. I guess it gives you up to like 9 angles or something. You have extreme long shot, close up, medium, high shot. Aero shot is my favorite. It does look like a drone shot. Or you can also change the resolution if you want. Or change the ratio to 16:9, something like that. And then you can just click on generate, because we've already selected all the shots that we need, the angles and stuff. You just click on generate and look at that magic. We'll take a break. I'm on Amjay. It was a pleasure again to be here with you. This